Have you ever asked yourself how to code the lock screen widget? Everyone is showing tutorial, everyone is showing how to build widgets, but no one is talking about how to implement lock screen widget. Did you know that you can implement lock screen widget directly for your any iOS application? If not, then today I will be showing you how to code that. And let's get into the demo. So right now I have three screenshots of lock screen which you can see, and you can say this is my application, that is a code widget in which actually I am talking about one code which I save. I've already created a lot of videos on the code widget application, how I build widget and all, so you can watch them. And here I will be talking about how to implement the lock screen part, so that if you have a existing widget, then also you understand. If you don't have any widget, then also you understand. So you can say this is a code, like it fetch the latest code. So you can see this is one code that is the latest code, and then again this is one code that is which is shown near the date, that is keep going. And then this is, you can, if you long press the lock screen, then you press the customize, then you will get this option on how to select the widget. Now I have another image which you can see, don't listen to noise and follow your gut. So you can see that it is only one line, and it stays only in one line, but for this you can customize it. And again, don't quit, that's it. So this is a code which you can save as per your favorite, or you want to write it for yourself, you want to keep yourself reminded for every time you open the application. And yes, this was a really great and cool feature for me which I have built for myself, and I wanted to share with you. Now let's get into the code, so that you understand how to code. Like, the code is very simple actually in my opinion, but still I will show you to really understand what is going behind the scene. So right now you can see this is the application. So I've already built a code widget bundle earlier. Like, you can see all the code, you can understand the logic of how I'm syncing with my store, like Swift data in my application, how I am syncing it with database and all, and how you can implement that too. And you can see what changes I made today. So today I did nothing. You can just see that here. For example, let me just let it build, and till the time I will show you the demo. Okay, yep. And you can see the switch. If it is widget family, then small, medium, large, you already know that. You just have to add more case, and that is accessory inline, accessory circular, accessory rectangular. So, and by default home screen code widget, which is actually this one only. And you have to add three more case, that is accessory inline, accessory circular, and accessory rectangular. And again you have to build those inline code widget and all. So we'll just get into the code. So you can see this is the case, and after that you can see inline code widget, what actually we do. For the view, we are obviously creating view. You can see that this is the view, and for the rectangular view as well, this is the circular code widget view, and these are the lock screen. Again, we are adding in the body to support. And here you can see that this is my preview, and it is just running right now while we are making this video. So you can see this is the dark mode, and you can see that this is the code which appears when the application is open, like when there is no lock screen. And if it is lock screen, then how the rectangular will look. You can see this. And if I want to preview it, I can preview it too. So for that I need to change this code here. You can see I can just preview. So you can see accessory rectangular, then I can do accessory inline. Let me just choose accessory inline. If I choose this one, it will, you can say, stay hungry, stay foolish, move to upwards to preview it. And if I want to check the accessory circular, I can do that too, and it will appear here. You can see that. And this is how all the three view works. And this is the screenshot which I have shown in the earlier, that is from my own iPhone. So I think it is understood, like you have understood how to build this application and all. And this was it. And I will see you on the next video. Till then, take care and bye.